Alrighty guys, today we are going to go ahead and install these Polaris lower door inserts. I was going to do the full door inserts that give you the armrest and then seal all the dust off, but after riding it for a while, I think I can get away with just doing the little pieces back here in the back. Looks like it should be a pretty easy install. Just got to take a couple of these T40s out along in here. I think there's like a T25 or T20 down in there that you got to pop out, and then that whole door skin will come off. You got to take this little piece out here, and then the full door part will go in and seal that whole little corner off. So we're gonna go ahead and get these taken off and see how long it takes, and let you know if there's any tips or tricks along the way, and if not, we'll do a little review after we maybe hit some mud with them. Let's get going. Alrighty guys, now that we've got that door skin off, we're gonna go ahead and flip it over here. You're gonna wanna remove all of these little guys. We're gonna reuse these. Polaris doesn't send new ones with this kit, so you're gonna wanna pop, well, that one can stay there, but you're gonna wanna pop all these little mounts out of here, all these little bolts, a couple of clamps to kind of hold it in place right there, so you have to pop those off. Take all these little guys out, and then we'll put on the new insert there, put the door skin back on, and this will be a done deal. So we're gonna go ahead, pop all that stuff off, and get the new one put on. Okay, now that we've got all of our little clips back in place, the lower door insert is in, we're gonna go ahead, go over to the machine, and get it mounted back up to the door. Alright guys, so here's the passenger door all mounted up and good to go. My initial impressions, fit and finish isn't horrible, but could be better. A little bit of a gap down here, not too bad. It's kind of similar on the other side already, so I guess I couldn't have been expecting too much, but they're in. Only took probably 5 or 10 minutes or so. I think it looks alright. Obviously you can get aftermarket full doors that are gonna close it all off and make it look a little bit better, but this is a cheap, easy fix. I got these with the voucher for the stock ride on the turbocharger, so pretty much had everything else I wanted on this machine. So this is one of the things I picked up with that voucher. I'm waiting on the SMB filter, but that'll be for another video. These are just the easiest things to put on for right now, so I'll go ahead and get the other side going and get this all wrapped up. guys, the other one is on now. Final impressions with both on. Again, fit and finish isn't perfect. The gap right there in the middle could be a little tighter, but then again, these are kind of the cheaper option of what you can get from Polaris. If you had the money, I would probably go ahead and get the full inner door inserts, just because they are a little bit nicer. But like I said, these are what I got with the leftover money from my voucher from the most recent recall. So had 200 left over, figured these would be good enough. I didn't want to just buy some random stuff just because I had the money. I wanted to get something that is actually going to be useful, and they'll get the job done. They'll help block some mud from coming in there. Obviously there's still going to be gaps like that and other areas where there's going to be mud coming in, but that'll help a little bit. So yeah, that is the install on the Pro XP with the Polaris OEM lower door inserts. If you guys got any questions, drop them down below, and we'll see you next time.